welcome back guys to Adri's channel. Today we're gonna play Call of Duty Mobile. Today my friend is gonna play.
Hello guys, today we are going to play Call of Duty Mobile. Today we are going to play Battle Royale of Call of Duty, first time. Let's see what is the experience. My friend didn't know much about the Battle Royale of COD Mobile, so I came and I'm just helping him making the gameplay for the Battle Royale.
Looks like he's shooting. This guy looks like he's shooting an electrical gun.
I have it in my game.
What?
And today we are going to acquire some gun skins also.
How much time does it take?
Yeah, it
Internet
is going. Yeah, will just confirm and it will do.
Guessed.
Yeah, just start.
It takes a lot of time to do Call of Duty. If you like the game, you can also download it too. It's Call of Duty Mobile. In the starting, you
Short
have,
form COD mobile.
and you are first time I was downloading, there was some problem. Then I was download. Then the second time I downloaded, then also it had a problem. Then I downloaded the third time, it didn't had a problem.
I didn't have much problem while downloading it.
Call of Duty Hunt.
So guys, today we're going to play a Battle Royale. We have just started playing, so we are on working one. And let's start. We are playing with squad. We are playing solo. And today we will change some other settings also as per good controls for playing the game.
Guys, I'm playing now and I'm gonna drink water now.
We're going to change some basic settings. Once more. Just, we will go to here. Let's confirm. It's ready to go. And from you go to basic settings. And then it is over here. Controls, basics,
welcome to Battle Royale. The match is about to start.
we're gonna play. It's our first match.
Get ready. Launch base as per there are more enemies over there. We are right below to the launch base now. There are many enemies over here coming down as you will see on the screen. So
गन ढूंढनी होती है या इस गेम में या ले मिलती है स्टार्टिंग में?
We need to find guns.
अरे लेते एमो.
We took ammo. It was sniper ammo. We don't have a sniper. Nothing new. Oh, I need to change some settings. I will just go up and be safe. And then I will change a little bit of settings. And I will just stay here with some healing also. Let's change settings. Controls, custom. Oh, okay. Back. We are ready over here. Settings, basics, force, horizontal insert, high no, audio and graphics. Here we got and we are getting over here. It's a network issue, guys. Network issue. I've changed this. It was here now. This is one kill, guys.
Health.
No. This is not the health. This is health. This is the health. And we can take heavy ammo. There was one enemy over here. Let's find for the others so we can get more and more kills. Mostly they are over here where it's some sort of a missile. It's a sniper, but it's not the sniper with extended scope on it, so we will not take.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Not take it. Let's search for other enemies.
Zone. The zone.
Yeah, we are going. I'm finding. We have not too much scopes and there's one thing good. Let's go up and then we will jump from there. It will take 2 minutes, not more than that. We will go to the top and then we will jump. It will take less time.
गन इतनी अच्छी पड़ी है.
Let's take this. What's Manova? This. Oh, guys, network issue. Where is the type of like ladder to go up? Oh my god, it's like late. Let's go from this side. Let's go from this side and we will jump. Kill. One more kill. Let's take now this. Oh no, guys, you can do cancel. We're gonna eat this.
Stay put and give yourself treatment.
This is advanced health technology.
Airdrop has been delivered.
It's done. The health is full now. Go up. We just got 2 kills. And we got a sniper. Let's take sniper. As it will help us to kill the enemies in long range. We will go especially to top. If some of you are saying that you take a lot of time while going from the launch base to anywhere else in the zone, you can just climb. It will just take you 2 minutes. And when you will go to the top, you can just jump and then you can like fly and go. That's a good way, a good thing.
यार वापस वही जाते रह रहे हो.
And when we came to top, to see where is the zone and just jump and you can just like Just take and fly. And you will cover more area. Otherwise, you need to walk from there to there. It's a good thing. You can take less time. See, this is the button with scope and the fire, and this is the normal fire. I just put it from here to here. With like this scope and fire, this is normal fire. There are some enemies over there. It was showing. Let's go and have some kills. It's right there, right over here. Kill. Four kill, guys. We are getting good. Oh shoot, guys, by mistake. And we can take more from here.
Bomb.
The armor plate, and it is just a flashback bomb. Let's go from here, as we are not in the zone. Yeah, we are in the zone. Oh no, we are not in the zone. We can be killed by the zone also. We got a scope.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Is it fun playing Battleground? Battle Royale.
Is it it up there?
We are almost near to the. Let's see if we can get a victory. If you're saying what we are happening with the score with the map, if you like not too much know about theory how to play a battle, you need to continuously check the map, as it can show you the other places about the it is a plane coming over here with a drop, so you can see again and again where is the drop coming, and you can see the zone also and other things, which is type of this small triangle, this purple square. So these are all good things where you can go, but don't go to the red rectangle, because there is a big zombie, the biggest zombie. Where it is, it was before red square. Yes,
Red dot.
and guys, you can see there is a drop coming, so we can go and take it. Some enemies over here, guys. Let's go and take the kills. First, if you think that you can get kills, to first try for sniping and try. Okay, someone killed him. And let's go at that area only for kills.
Airdrop has been delivered.
The game is getting a little. I got a kill.
Stay put and give yourself treatment.
I need to go. Got kills. Sorry guys, because the game is getting a little bit of hang. There were more enemy.
चलो जोन आ रहा है.
We are just below the zone. We can go from right here. We can go from here. Now we are in the zone, and let's see. There's a person who has been killing people. Let's go a little bit from side. There was a person killed by him, and now also it was showing. Let's see if he must be inside that. Let's start it. I was just trying to break the door as if
The safe zone is collapsing.
he's here only. In front now. Let's go and take the kills.
टैंक है वहाँ पे. ले लो टैंक.
No, it's a bursted tank. It's a busted tank.
Car busted.
It is busted. No, I'm just since playing it from 2-3 months. It's all busted. See, I will show you. See, we can't ride this. We can't ride this. It's only busted. We are trying to get more and more kills, but there's a little bit of lag over here in the game, so we are not able to take the kill properly.
Stay put and give yourself treatment.
We're going to die. We are saved. And over here is his box. We can take things. Ready to go again. Maybe we can get a victory. As you know, as per the PUBG bans, all guys, I'm not sure. Let's see if we can get a victory. That's good for us. It's a lot of time searching for enemies. Let's see where
Airdrop has been
come
delivered.
from. We have even got good kills. That's a good thing. Now we are in black mark. We have got 6 kills and there are 18 alive. So let's search the black market, as there must be more players in black market, because everyone comes over here in the black market. But I know everyone comes in the black market. Let's take till if the other enemies are coming.
हम दूर जा रहे हैं.
Yeah, we okay. There's an enemy. Got a kill. No health down also, and I got a kill. Taking the ammo, guys.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Get for a kill. There is one more.
अरे अंदर है, अंदर बहुत कुछ था. प्लीज ले जाओ अंदर, ले जाओ कुछ.
No problem. We have a lot of stuff. We can just kill everyone.
The safe zone is
And we
collapsed.
are getting more and more as like this.
अरे
Got.
कितनी और ले सकते हैं हम लोग?
We can take until 1000, and there are some. Since we just knew that I am over here. Got a kill. In this game we can take up to 1000 ammo, at least 1000. And if our backpack is also full, then also we can take the ammo. There's 6 lives and we have done 9 kills, and I think so there's a person over there. Let's search. No, there is nothing. Let's see. We are in the zone. Let's search for more players in the black market. No problem. I will just run in 2 minutes and go. I'm searching for like if enemies are coming from the zone, so it must be more good. Let's take a little bit of healing. It will help us. And let's see, if you don't know what is the armor plate, it help you put a armor inside, so you will get less damage, and that's good. I'm in the zone now, guys, and let's see. In the zone there is no city. There is a car, so I always prefer you to take a car, as you can take rounds on the roads, as it's good that you can go up also to the hill, so you can directly smash the vehicle into the face of the enemy, so that's good. Like if the zone is over, so I can just go very fast out of the zone. As the zone is here, so I'm going and just put my vehicle over here, and let's be here.
Down to the last 5 players.
There are only the last 5 players left.
Chip terminal is almost ready. The safe zone is collapsing. Stay put and give yourself treatment.
And we're going to win the match. There are only 2 more people that we must kill, and then we can get a victory, guys. Only 2 left, and we got 11 kills in the first match of Battleground, as I've seen a lot of videos about Battleground. Not me, I'm just playing this instant of my friend, as she didn't know. I know someone came from the... and he's on top, I think so. I'm a...
ये keys क्या करना? Are you guys about the noise? YouTube video बनाना.
Oh, there's a person.
अबे मैं भी हूँ.
And we got...
सुनो भाई, मेरे को GTA 5 का वो दिखा देना भाई, keys कैसे करनी. भाई AWM से पढ़ी है भाई.
Oh shoot! Oh guys, oh no. Guys, we got a victory in the first match. We got a winner and we got a victory. And then open for
Guys,
and it come type of list. It's type of like it tell you where you just done a kill. So guys, it was all for today, and we will make more videos like this.